Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is verb phrase 369. The verb phrase today is to break down, and we have 8 meanings and 8 uses. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot. Do it right now. Let's get right to it. Here's the first one: to lose control of one's emotion or one's emotions. Here's our example. She broke down and started crying, or somebody could break down and start screaming too. To foul or stop. The trade talks between those two countries broke down. So, yeah, they failed, at least for now. They've stopped. They broke down. Number 3, of a machine, to malfunction or stop operating. She couldn't make it home because her car broke down on the highway. Yeah, car is definitely a machine. Any sort of machine that's in operation, if it just stopped suddenly and failed, we could say it broke down. Okay, good. Number 4, to get someone to do what one wants, often by pressure or coercion. Right? The investigator interrogated the suspect and tried to break him down to sign a confession. Yeah, we see this in the movies all the time. They're trying to get them to admit that they did this crime and just sign a confession quickly. Number 5, to explain something step by step. When you are training new employees, you have to break it down for them so they can learn one part at a time. Yeah. All right, number 6, to take apart an obstacle in society. All right, Martin Luther King Jr. fought to break down any barriers of discrimination. Okay, good. Number 7, to destroy a physical structure. The police had to break down the door to get into that apartment. Okay, good. And number 8, to reduce something to smaller parts. Okay. That vendor had to break down his canopy in order to get it in his truck. Yes, sometimes if you see vendors selling outdoors, they put up a little canopy that kind of covers their head so they have some shade under there or some protection from light rain or something like that. That's a canopy. And of course, eventually they have to take that apart and, take it with them. So they have to break it down. They can't put it in their car while it's all still assembled. They have to break it down. All right, good. And that's it. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. And again, if you like these verb phrases and all the possible meanings you can get from just one verb phrase, I'd appreciate if you can give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.